Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and as you can see from my background here, one of my jobs is teaching children online. Now for that job, it is super important for me to have a headset where I can hear them clearly and they can hear me clearly. And I also want it to be comfortable on my head. Well, thankfully, I found a headset that meets all of those needs. It's this Jeecoo microphone headset. The earpieces on this headset are so incredibly cushioned and they fit completely over my ears. I've also noticed that these really padded ear cushions are super effective at blocking out external noise. I am so happy to be able to say that this headset has not caused me any discomfort while I've been teaching online. This headset is also really fast and easy to set up. Jeecoo provides software on their website which optimizes the use of the headset, and I found the setup to be really quick. After that, all I need to do is plug the headset into one of the USB ports in my computer. A feature to this headset that I have found to be extremely convenient is the controls located right on the cord. I have the ability to mute and unmute myself. I can turn up my own volume, and I can also turn up my microphone volume so that the person hearing me can hear me better. I have been super impressed with the solid construction and the excellent performance of this headset, and it has saved my head a lot of discomfort too. And that's my point of view.